Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not investment advice. So this video is another naked chart trading, binary option trading without indicator, price action trading without indicator video, based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern and binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. And in the description, you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So I entered here into a call because I'm sure that price will retrace from this level. We have ranging market. Here we have such kind of extreme level. You see already those 2 wicks here, and that was the reason why I entered here immediately into a call, because I'm pretty much sure that price will retrace back above this level at the end of the expiration time. And that's the reason why I entered into a call on this running candle, because I understood from this extreme level here that price will close above this level and retire and or retrace much higher, yes, because we have ranging market. Don't do this kind of trades in trending markets, yes, because that will go bad, yes, they will go wrong. In trending market, you get almost out of the money then, yes, because it's only possible to do this kind of things in ranging market, because then price retrace back, yes, and you see it retrace back. So on the next candle, I will do a put, because I'm sure that price will go down further. We already penetrated this area now, yes, it shows me that we are already, we have conquered this terrain, yes, the sellers get control about this, and so that's the reason why I'm doing again after this a put, because I'm expecting now that price will continue to going down. So, and that's the reason, yes, why I entered into a put. We have a downtrend, yes, and market is doing some kind of panic here, but I'm sure that this will be in the money. If this should be a weak bearish candle, yes, for any case, yes, it can be that it will be a weak bearish candle, I will do on the next candle then a call. But I'm not believing this. I'm believing that this will be still a bearish candle, yes, and a good bearish candle. And you see it's going down, and yes, that is showing me that this is a retracement, and I will do another put now, because I'm sure. Let me do a put here. I didn't click this. Okay, really late, but no problem. It doesn't enter. Yes. Oh, that is bad. Okay, nice. I will enter now. Yes, because I'm sure that price will pushing down further and continuing. I want to enter earlier, but it was not possible. You have seen, first of all, I clicked wrong, yes, here somewhere here in this area. Then when I clicked, I got a lag, and I entered really lately, but no problem. I'm pretty much sure that price will continue to going down, yes, and crossing also this kind of support level, which I have drawn here before, because you see we got already 4 touches, and that is those kind of setups which I have shown you also in my ebook, yes. And it was a clear trend continuation pattern. Okay, that was already again. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye. Okay, I saw a nice rejection. I will do a call from this level. I'm expecting that price will go up from this level. Yes, this candle here, this here area showed me that we have here support and resistance level. I don't know what it is, but it's a support and resistance level. This candle was a fake breakout of this support and resistance level, and this rejection here of this candle showed me that price will get a retracement or maybe also a reversal. I don't know. Yes, but at this moment I'm thinking it's only a retracement, depending on the size of this running candle. Okay, that looks almost better. We are getting back and higher than this kind of area which it was before. That means that this will be a reversal. So okay, that was it again. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.